All right, I have another midweek sale that I'd like to review for you guys, and kind of get to the bottom of why this coin sold for so much money, and I don't know, just to talk generally about what it is. This is a 2005 D. It's a Denver coin, Lincoln Cent Memorial. This one was graded PCGS Mint State 68 red. All right, it's a fantastic, clean looking coin. First thing I'll point out, well, first of all, the coin sold on Great Collections over the weekend, and I like talking about coins like this where, you know, it's like millions and millions of them were made. Okay, it's a relatively not only common date, but it's also a very modern date as well. You know, a coin that was crafted based off of some of the newest technology. So I suppose the quality should be at its finest on these coins. The coin, first of all, exhibits, you know, a really nice satiny luster. I think, based off of what I see on the photos, there's two little tiny scuff marks in the fields on the obverse of the coin, one right above the B in Liberty, and then at the almost 3 o'clock position on the obverse side of the coin, which, you know, on a coin of this caliber, those are going to be expected. I was surprised that it was graded as 68 with the two marks. Usually with one mark, you know, that's justifiable, but the two marks, they probably let it go as it was so close to their criteria. So first thing you need to know about this coin, okay, is how much it sold for. It sold for $1,125, which is a pretty stout figure for this coin. There are only 4 graded in 68 through PCGS, so it's a really exquisite kind of, you know, very small company type of piece and example, and it's one that I'm sure was purchased for a registry set that a lot of the higher end collectors like to build. So that's the first point I'll make. The second one is, where exactly do you find these? Finding them in pocket change isn't exactly realistic. The coin is 13 years old, almost 14 years old. So to find one in pristine condition, even after someone had dumped an old collection of modern coins into circulation, it's very unlikely that you're going to find a coin of this type and this magnitude and this grade in circulation. Generally, coins like this would come up in old rolls, like bank rolls. Mint sets have some of the highest quality coins that you could possibly ever find. I'd say the Mint did a pretty good job assembling some of these Mint sets over the last 15 years since the start of the state quarter program, that you're going to see a lot of really nice high-end coins coming from there. So those are going to be a couple of your avenues that you're going to kind of, you know, investigate when you're looking for these high-grade coins. And the third thing I'll point out is, okay, what's the big secret with getting these coins graded so high? I could tell you one thing's for sure. Okay, it's going to take more than one submission of one coin to make it happen. More than likely, whoever submitted this, whether it was the auction house or perhaps the person that consigned the coin, probably did a bulk submission. Okay, they probably sent 10, 20 examples of this date in a high grade, which is why you see Mint State 667s graded into the hundreds, because they do bulk submissions. The 67s aren't worth anything other than maybe $5-10, which makes the huge jump up to a 68 tremendous. So the key to grading is spending some of your money to do a bulk submission. It might pains a lot of people to do that because it's like, oh man, I don't want to send 20 2005 Lincoln Cents and not get anything back in return, you know. But you know, if you spend $400 or $500 and then turn around and make double that, then that's where the windfall comes into play. So, you know, those are my 3 things on this 2005 D. I'm sure we'll find more. pop up in the secondary market through some of the auction houses like Great Collections and eBay and Heritage. And keep in mind, the more of these that kind of flood the pop reports, the lesser they will be worth in time. Now, if there's a resurgence of coin collecting in the next 5 to 10 years, this will probably stabilize or maybe even go higher as more people are introduced to the registry set idea. So anyways, I want to talk about this 2005D. Again, it's a PCGS Mint State 68 Red. You could follow this coin or check it out on greatcollections.com, and it is auction number 624736. As always, I appreciate your guys' time. You guys keep hunting, keep stacking, you know, and yeah, enjoy the hobby. It's a lot of fun. And I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, like and subscribe. See ya.